Good night, Miss. Now we are going to talk about the three forms for transportation: the bus, the skateboard, e-bike, and microcar. The interviewers are Erika Trigueros, Narciso Aguilar, and my person, Angie Veloz. Now I'm going to about talk about on other description of the skateboard. This transportation is more accessible and travel enjoying because this creation is very easy use because it's simple and fun. It's very small and have four wheels and one motor and remote control because the remote control is handheld. That is the sign of the hand. Then you can take control for direction and the speed of the skateboard. The skateboard is electric and only one person can drive this transportation. The other is the microcar, that is an electric car, and other is very small. For this reason, it's eco-friendly because don't use combustible because it's electric, and this reason prevents the dark smoke that causes danger for the air and environment. The car is very small and only can enter two passengers, and this car is easy mobiles and parking is narrow space. The e-bike is an electric bike that has two mobiles because it's very speed and no depend of the force the passenger only can use two passengers because have only two sides. Now my parent Erika Trigueros is to talk.
Hi, Miss. The next question is what are some different and negative aspects of each? The difference in both skateboard is a method of transporter and is fast in comparison with other transportation, but it is probably can have accident using this skateboard. The microcar is small, speed, and can ride only two people. Any bike has two tires and can two ride two people. Um, the next question is what future do you predict in their ways of the transportation? The one I most feel the future is the one of the microcar. Science in adapt more to a car that adapt more to the condition of our country. The Boston skateboard seems to me the most dangerous, and I consider that is the one that won't less be used. And finally, bike in the street, they have to adapt lines for them, and it will be very useful. Next question is, which do you find the most interesting? The most interesting for me is the microcar, and science is adapt to more common use of transport so much that I find it train or if even the problem of getting what we will have. In general, everyone has something interesting.
We use as reference the book Century Communication by Glida Baker, first edition, which has published in year 21 CEF. Advantage and disadvantage. The great advantages are that they are very useful means of transport to transport in place where there is a lot of traffic of people, because the styles of transportation such as buses, boats, microcar, and e-bike are electric transport that helps use to make the best use of time. This disadvantage of this transport is that when they are used, only a minimum number of people can be transported. In conclusion, it is conclusion that there's three types of means of transport are of great benefits for people. Although they have a very high cost, it is a means of transport of high quality with hello people to travel long distance. Thank you.